First, you need to go to your own profile. Just click on that. Just click on add profile section, and then there will be option to add projects. Once you click on it, this kind of interface will open. I have my projects details ready, so I'll just copy and paste it here. So you can add the project title here, the project details or description. You should have your project details ready and just need to copy paste it here. So I am just copy pasting it here. You can add skills as well, like risk analysis and many more relevant skills to your projects. You can add media as well if you have some images or documents related to it. And this timeline is very important. You should add timeline for your projects. Say for example, it is January 2024 to May 2024. Once you have it done, you need to just click on save. But before that, you should also indicate this project was related to your bachelor's degree or master's degree or any particular employment. You can choose it from here. I'll say for example, I'll choose it the bachelor's degree. Now you should click on save, and this projects will get published on your LinkedIn profile. So that's it, friends. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, share and circulate among your circle. Thank you for watching.